Have you seen a pressure cooker? Those in India are familiar with pressure cooker. Abroad, maybe not so much. So I was shown this visual of a pressure cooker. If you want to cook something, you put it in that pressure cooker, and it cooks only when the whistle lets go of the pressure. So that is the message that I had received from Arcturian Council, and I'll go detail into that. Hi, this is Akanksha. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Multidimensional Soul. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel. If you have already subscribed, welcome back. So, this is the message that I have received from the Arcturian Council to let go. And even though it may sound so simple, it is a multi layered message, I would say. Let's say you are on some journey and you are definitely on ascension path or on twin flame journey. If you are here on this channel, then you are on some kind of ascension journey. And what happens in this journey is that as you raise in the vibration, people start falling out of your life, and those who cannot match the vibration, they will automatically move out. And it may be because of something that happened, or it may be just like that you're not in touch, and then they will move out. We have been advised to let go of people. We ascend in a spiral fashion. So when we ascend, we don't ascend in linear fashion, we ascend in spiral fashion. So when you ascend in a spiral fashion, when you complete one cycle, you will come at the same point. It may look like you have come at the same point, but it is in the higher dimension or in the higher vibration. So you may meet similar energies in different people with higher consciousness level. And that is why we've been advised not to get attached to people, not to get attached to the person. And they may be close friends, family, but if they have chosen not to ascend, and if you have already started ascending, then this kind of chaos may start happening in your life. And you may call it chaos or you may call it by design, but people will start falling out of your life. And that is the reason why it is important to let go, to not get attached to any person. If you are on a twin flame journey and if you want to attract divine counterpart, and I have talked about it in couple of my videos, and I'm going to share the links over here. If the twin flame journey is too strenuous, is stretched over years, and there is no communication from your twin flame, the twin flame has chosen his free will to go with somebody else. And remember, even if that twin flame is another part of your soul, that person, when he incarnates over here, has complete free will and can decide not to be in union, can choose not to be with you. And it's his free will. And that is why, if you realize that you have done everything from your side and you have ascended, and the energy is just not matching, this is the newest guidance for 2025, that you will get somebody else who is a divine counterpart, who is your vibrational match. But to go to that level and to attract that vibrational match, who's your divine counterpart, you have to let go of your twin flame as a person. You have to start looking at the energetic dynamics, and then you will get the divine counterpart in your life. So I have explained different types of relationships in my other video, wherein there is karmic relationship, soulmate, twin flame, and divine counterpart. So when you're looking for a partner, twin flame is not the only type of relationship. And twin flames are here to break the templates. But the 2025 guidance is that even a twin flame template is no longer going to be there. There are higher vibrational counterparts that are going to come. But for that to happen, you have to let go of your twin flame as a person. And you may get exact similar energy, but at a higher consciousness level, at the higher vibration, in the higher dimension, in your divine counterpart. And this is true for divine counterpart, but it's not just for divine counterpart. It is true for all people in our life. And that is why I said that the message was to let go. So don't be attached to any person. Ultimately, we all are part of the same consciousness, right? We all are unity consciousness. We all are part of the divine. At the highest level, we all are one. So then, right now, when we are on this earth, whatever lessons we have to learn, when we have learned them, and when we have gone to a higher vibration, then the guidance is not to get attached to the people who have not yet reached the higher vibration. They have to learn their own lessons, they have their own path. And yes, you can do everything to wish them the best, to love them unconditionally, but at the same time, set boundaries and not get attached in the drama that they have, because that is their journey. And you can facilitate that journey probably by setting boundaries at this time. And that is how it is meant to be. So, by letting go, it means that we don't have any expectations from the other person. So, let's say somebody has done some mistakes, not apologized to you, let go. Don't wait for that apology to come to you. Your twin flame has ghosted you, not communicated with you. You want a closure. Don't wait for the closure. Let go. Let go of any expectations from the other person. When you let go of that attachment, of that expectation, then the new guidance will come in for you. When you're holding on to that expectation, then you are staying in that vibration, in that timeline of waiting, of expecting. So let go of that expectation. If you have made mistake, apologize, move on. But if the other person has made mistakes and you are not getting that apology, don't wait for that apology. Don't wait for that closure. Just move on. Let go. So go within and ask yourself, what do I need to let go in order to reach the higher vibration, to reach the higher dimension? When you meditate on this, you will get the answer. The guidance I have received from the Arcturian Council is to let go. So, this is a short message, and I will bring more messages. Some of you have asked about whether your existing or current twin flame can become your divine counterpart. And it's not a short answer, so I'll make a separate video about that in detail. But for now, can you let go of the person? Can you get detached with the persons and the personalities in your life when you are moving through the cycles of ascension? So let go. That's all from me. And if you want to get some guidance on navigating the ascension, I'll be happy to help you. The appointment details are in the description below. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay well, love yourself, lots of love.